in no way claiming that this is healthy, but I am a grown adult and I can make my own decisions. We got like KFC, we had A&W, and just like so much food. Good morning. I just made my coffee. Actually, before I do that, I am going to make French toast. I've never made French toast before, but I woke up and I had this weird craving for French toast. So I'm making it. I have my laptop with the recipe here, but it seems pretty easy. But I don't have that much milk left. So first, the recipe calls for a 1/4 cup of milk. So I'm gonna pour that. And then if I have enough milk left, then I'll use it in my coffee. If not, I have a hazelnut coffee milk, like dairy-free thing in my fridge that I'll use. But it has a lot of sugar in it, so I prefer to just use regular milk. So let me do that. Oh yeah, I think I'll have enough. So this is a 1/4 cup, and that's all it's requiring. Oh yeah, we can put milk in our coffee. This is like one of my favorite moments of the day. Perfect. Stir it up. Also, I cut my hair and it's like, I have a lot more layers in my hair, so it stays up in this like spiky little bun. I wanted to go to the gym this morning, so I probably shouldn't be eating such a heavy breakfast, but anyways, okay, so 1 egg, vanilla and cinnamon into a bowl. Alright, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Some of the cinnamon has been stuck on the sides of the bowl, but this is how good it's gonna get. Some of you are probably laughing at me that I've never made French toast, and I had to look it up. When I was in Mexico, I had the best French toast, and it was to die for. It was pretty much eating like dessert for breakfast. So I'm in no way claiming that this is healthy, but I am a grown adult and I can make my own decisions. And I'm planning to go to the gym today, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna eat this for breakfast. Let me get my bread out. And it was really delicious, the little simple pleasures in life. Although the French toast in Mexico was like coated in brown sugar, and I'm not gonna do that. So good, and don't be worried, I'm using real maple syrup because I'm Canadian. I just did something so life-changing and I have to share it with you. Please don't mind that I'm still in pajamas and my room is a disaster, but hear me out. So every time I walk into my bedroom, I have always been frustrated with the small gap that I have between my bed and my bedroom door. Here's what it looks like. So there was always limited space here, and I was so mad that my bed stuck out this much. I didn't do a proper job of measuring it before I bought this bed, and there was only this much room to walk into my bedroom, so I would often step over the bed to get into my bedroom. It was super annoying, and I didn't want to push the bed over. Again, my room is so messy. I didn't want to push the bed over too much because then it would be the same thing on this side. So I just lived with this much space and always regretted my decision of ordering this bed because it's beautiful, but it just didn't fit properly. So here's what I did. I removed this 3-inch like doorstop thing that was on the wall here. I just twisted it off, no tools required, and I added a thick felt pad so that when the door hits, it is only hitting the felt pad, as you can see. It's not damaging the door in any way because it's hitting this very thick felt pad that I had in my drawer, and it does the same job as this spirally thing from making the door not hit the wall, but I just got like 3 inches of extra space. This is so much better. Now I can walk. Life changing. So, Alyssa and I are at my parents' house actually. I came here earlier today and we just got back from filming the challenge video, ordering what the person in front of you ordered. I'm so scared. I'm so nervous.
About to put in the order.
Hi there, can I order the exact same thing as the person in front of me?
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh! So we have a bunch of food here. Especially donuts. We have a ton of donuts, which I'm gonna bring these probably to my family tomorrow, like my little cousins and stuff, bring these over to their house. We got like KFC, we had A&W, and just like so much food. But Alyssa is over here and she just got back from a month of traveling in Asia. Where did you go? Tell them where you went.
I was in Vietnam for a couple of weeks and then Japan for just under 3 weeks as well. So
yeah, I'm super jealous.
A little Asian tour, so much fun, a lot of good food, and I brought Rach a little present.
Yes, I'm gonna open it.
So it's in a Roots bag, but it's not from Roots.
I'm so excited. So my very own pair of chopsticks. I love the little.
They come in a little case. There's also a little secret surprise in there. Oh, see, it fell out.
Ooh, and a little swan.
Yeah, that's like so popular in Japan. They would always gift them to you. So I added that in one of your presents.
Ooh, these are so nice. Thank you.
I thought they would match your apartment with the gray.
Aw, thank you.
Your aesthetic.
Oh, these are so cool. Like they have, it's a little bit more like rough down here. This is like to grip, right?
So now you have your own pair and you can bring them with you everywhere you go.
Yeah. Oh my god, and like I can put a reusable straw in this office too. Yeah. And just be set for anywhere I go.
It's cute.
Aw, thank you.
You're welcome.
How is this wrapped?
And then you just like tuck it in.
Cute. Oh, I love this. Thank you.
No problem. Now this is fun. This was a little airport goodie that I got.
Oh my god, it's squishy.
There's 7 face masks in there.
Oh my god.
And it's a resealable pack, so you don't have to use them all at once. They are the best face masks you will ever try.
Them? Oh, yeah, like the sheet masks.
The sheet masks, yeah. Kayla and I,
I'm so excited.
We bought a couple of packs while we were there and like did face masks every night, and they're the best face masks I've ever done.
Your skin is looking glowy. It probably doesn't tan, but like, wow.
I actually did one this morning as well.
Oh, wow. It says for girls all over the world.
International girls. I have no idea what it means, like what kind of face mask it is, because I can't translate it.
Like it's so squishy.
There's so much liquid on it. You might have to do one tonight.
Ooh, I'm so excited. Thank you.
No problem.
So thank you for, you didn't have to bring me anything.
Ah, it's okay. It's fun. Japan is known for their skincare, so I thought I would get something. So it is the end of the night now. I am actually just like kind of hanging out and having a kind of chill night at home. I caught up on The Bachelorette and watched that. I've been kind of cleaning up, but I need to do some more cleaning around here. But I just washed my face and I wanted to try one of the face masks that Alyssa brought back from Japan. She raved about them and said that they are amazing. Okay, so they kind of just look like wipes and they're like saturated in a liquid, but I'm so excited to put this on. I'm gonna be careful not to rip it. All right. Oh, this is so fun. Oh my god, I forgot what she said the instructions were. I think she said to just leave it on your face for like 5 to 10 minutes. Ooh, I've never done one of these sheet masks before. So it's just like a hydrating sheet mask. All right. This is so scary. This is so fun. Ooh. I just washed up and got ready for bed, but it feels so nice to come into a clean room, and I turned on my lights. I don't know if I've ever shown you these, but I put these little string lights on command hooks and strung them behind my bed, and then they fall to the bottom here. So it looks really cool when the lights are off. And I kind of use it as like a night side lamp
because I don't have a lamp. Well, I have this lamp, but I don't have like a light here on my makeshift nightstand, so I like to use these lights when I want to like work on my computer or something in bed just before I go to sleep. I turn on these lights and then they just plug in right behind my nightstand, so I'm able to just like reach over and unplug them when I'm ready to go to sleep. And I also have fresh clean sheets. That feeling when you get into bed in fresh clean sheets, it's just the best.